What is going on, friends? It is Mike. I hope everybody's having a great day. I am on my way to the gym and we are going to get a quick lift in. It is going to be an upper body day, accessory type movements, shoulders, chest, and back. That's what we'll be hitting today. But they will be accessory movements, not gonna go do anything like insane, not gonna do any big weight and nothing on the compounds. But we will be moving some weight, and truthfully, this morning I had wanted to get to the gym, and I don't know if anybody else has ever gone through something like this before. Wanted to get to the gym before plugging in and getting some work done. I had gotten an idea that I just wanted to map out and start acting on, and it was business related. And then that turned into about 5 hours of like deep productive work. So not the worst thing that could have happened, because we did get a lot of work done in a good way. And I'm very happy about that. I'm very proud of that. We still got to get to the gym though. So we're heading over there now. Gonna move a little bit. And I was even like, I don't know if anybody else, I'm sure this has happened before. It's like when I'm in like the office days and like getting work done, doing like computer work, it's insane. Like I'll check my Fitbit right now. I have moved a total of 1,500 steps, and that just like makes me sad. Even though we were productive and we got a lot of work done, it has been a very sedentary day. So the next couple hours is really just going to be me moving around, getting a workout in. I'm going to go to the gym. Depending on how long I go to the gym for, anywhere between an hour and a half is typically what I like to work out. If it's still light out, maybe I'll hit up a park, walk around, get some steps in, get some fresh air. Hopefully it's still light out. I have my book with me too, so maybe I'll get some pages in as well and take it from there. So yeah, we're on our way to the gym now, and we'll check back in once we are there. And I hope you guys enjoy. So, thanks so much. So that was first exercise down. Easy bar, front lateral raise, 35 pounds, 20 max reps, 20 sets of 20 for 3 max rep sets. So essentially you find a weight that you can do for 20 reps. That feels good. Should have 2 or 3 left in the tank. And you do 20 sets. If you need to take a break in between, you can. The good news is, and this is actually kind of exciting, the last time that I hit this for 20, I couldn't get the 20 reps in fully. I had to take a break. This time, 3 sets of 20 reps each, and was able to get each rep without taking a break. So that is some good feedback that we're going in the right direction, and we could increase the weight the next time that we do this exercise. We'll be doing that anyway because we're gonna drop the rep range down next week, but we're going in the right direction. So all good. Now we move on to the next exercise.
next workout was cable chest fly, same rep range, set range, 20 reps by 3 max rep sets. This is another one, getting stronger. Cable flies is actually something I'm very weak on, which is funny because, you know, you bench heavy weight, you'd expect it would translate well to the cables, and you know, it's a different movement, hits different stabilizers, so getting stronger here, especially. I've noticed that when I first started doing cables, especially at this weight, doing 20, I would just get too fatigued and was wobbly, kind of not very stable, and that's been reinforcing and getting better, so I just feel more stable, which is really good. We're done with this. Next, we're gonna go on to rear delt. So we're not gonna go too far. We're gonna stay on this machine. We're just gonna flip it around and do some, do it from a different direction. Oh,
you're talking about his hat? I thought you were going to make your tricep. What is this? Arch angle Michael? Make that into like, what do you want with that? I don't know. I was thinking, since there's clouds, you can make it from this. Lightning into like a Roman numeral and keep this like
so that makes up rear delt, fly, cables, very lightweight, 20 reps for 3 max rep sets. This example, on the second and the third set, I wasn't able to get all the 20 in one set, so take a 15-second break, take a 30-second break, however long you gotta take, and just make sure that you get the last reps out, so that way you end up getting your goal target reps for the day. So even that last one, I think the last 3 or 5, I could feel myself tightening up on like the upper back. So I'm not sure how the form was, but definitely feel like I'm getting some blood flow into some areas, which is good. So that essentially wraps it up for like what we wanted to do today. So about 40 minutes in, and you know, again, this was supposed to be like more of like an accessory kind of exercise day. Nothing crazy, just trying to get some movement, and I'm happy with what we got so far. So we'll buzz around, see, maybe we'll stretch out a little bit. Other than that, that's a wrap. So appreciate you for tuning in, and we'll catch up. All right, what is going on, friends? Sorry for the abrupt change of going from gym to car. Wrapped up the workout. Everything was good. I was going to, after I wrapped up the rear delt flies, I wanted to hit abs for a little bit, and started hitting abs. Felt good, and all of a sudden my midsection like really started to like cramp up, like really bad. And it lasted like 10 minutes, so I was just like, I'm gonna like walk this off. And so I left the gym, and you know, in the pain that I was feeling, I was like, I actually asked ChatGPT, what are the best ways to get rid of muscle cramps? So I'm gonna share those top 3 tips with you real quick before we wrap up. And the first tip to get rid of muscle cramps is truthfully just like stretch or massage the area. So like I was just doing like stretching my abdominals as best as I could, but you can stretch out the area. That should help like alleviate the muscle spasm. You can hydrate. If you're experiencing muscle cramps, it might be a sign that you're dehydrated. You could also, the third tip is take a hot towel or a cold towel or compress the area, change the temperature, introduce a change of temperature, and that could also help alleviate any kind of pain associated with muscle cramps. So that's it for today. I'm actually going to head to the park right now and just finish off and get a little bit more steps in, because I'm still only at like 3,500. So we're gonna wrap up here. If you thank you so much for tuning in this far, and if you enjoyed, if you like the gym, if you like powerlifting, working out, bodybuilding, like, comment your favorite part, follow or subscribe for more, and I really appreciate you. Hope you have a great rest of your day.